You walked into a room, and suddenly, you have no idea why you came here. Sound familiar? Or you studied for hours, knew everything, then blanked out on the exam. Or forgot someone's name literally 30 seconds after they told you. Here's the thing, your brain isn't broken. It's actually doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Let me explain. Your brain is not a camera, it's an editor. Most people think memory works like recording a video. You experience something, it gets saved, you play it back later. That's completely wrong. Your brain is constantly making decisions about what to keep and what to throw away, every single second. And here's the wild part. Scientists just discovered that forgetting isn't a glitch, it's actually a feature. Researchers at Trinity College found that forgetting is literally a form of learning. Your brain deletes old information to make space for new information, like clearing your phone storage so new apps can run faster. The more new things you learn, the more old things get cleared out. Your brain is optimizing itself every single day. So why do you forget some things and remember others? 2 words, emotion and repetition. Think about it. You remember exactly where you were when something shocking happened. You remember your first day of school, your first heartbreak. Why? Because those moments had strong emotion attached to them. Boston University researchers found that ordinary moments, the forgettable ones, can become permanent memories if they're connected to something emotionally significant. Your brain basically stamps certain memories as important and locks them in. But your grocery list from last Tuesday? No emotion, no repetition, gone. Here's the part that will actually change how you study or learn anything. There's something called the forgetting curve. Discovered over 100 years ago, still holds true today. Within 1 hour of learning something new, you forget about 50% of it. Within 24 hours, 70% is gone. Within a week, almost 90% has disappeared. Sounds depressing, right? But here's the fix. Every time you review something, the curve resets and gets flatter. Review it once, you remember longer. Review it twice, even longer. Review it 5 times, it sticks permanently. This is why cramming the night before an exam never works, and why reviewing something for 5 minutes every day for a week beats studying for 5 hours in one night. Every single time. One last thing, and this one is wild. Sleep is literally your brain's memory backup system. While you sleep, your brain replays everything you experienced that day. It decides what stays and what goes. It moves important memories from short-term storage to long-term storage. Scientists found that a good night's sleep quite literally produces a clearer mind. People who slept after learning something remembered significantly more than people who stayed awake. So, the next time someone calls you forgetful, tell them your brain is just really good at prioritizing. And maybe get more sleep.